Hello friends, this is Mayank here again, the second video for my YouTube viewers. This time I'm reviewing a couple of apps and launchers for the Android phones. The one that I have is a Samsung Galaxy Note GT N7000. Let me just set this up. Okay, perfect. Let's start. As you can see, I'm running the Android Jelly Bean. This is the leaked version. It came up like a couple of months ago, and I've already flashed this ROM on my phone, so definitely I'm rooted. You can see I'm using the Jelly Bean lock screen, so you can just swipe this one to whatever apps you like. You can change these apps. I have the camera app on the left hand side. On the top side I have the music player. Bottom I have a calculator, and on the right hand side it's simply unlock. There you go. Now the home screen of this phone, as you can see, there's no notification bar, no docs, no icons, nothing. This is a simply plain screen, as you can see. And this is done with the help of a launcher and a couple of apps. And let me show you this. If you just swipe, there's a different wallpaper. Now you can see a couple of icons which I have placed here. Move on to screen number 3. There you see. Now you can see the clock here in letters or in text. 3:06. That's the time. 3 o'clock and 6 minutes. And here you can see. I don't know if it shows you in the camera. Let me zoom a little bit here for you. Now there you can see this shows the battery percentage, 67%, the temperature of my battery, and the voltage. This is again app that I'm using on my Android. Swiping to another one. This is the screen number 4 again, just a small wallpaper used. No icons at all. Plain screen. This is another one. This is the 5th screen that I have. I'm sorry, 4th. I forgot the count. I'm sorry. So I've got like a couple of screens here, and every screen has a different wallpaper. And you can also see that the phone is being operated in landscape mode and not in the portrait mode. You can see the app drawer inside is also landscaped. Everything is landscaped, so this makes it easier to use the phone as a tablet. You can see I'm using a mouse, which is making it very easy for me to operate the phone. Now to begin with, the first app or the launcher that I'm using is HD Launcher. Let me show you that. Here we go, launcher settings. This is it's a Holo Launcher, which is HD, high definition for the phone, so you get better icons, better clarity, and definitely gives you a premium look for your phone, for your Android. You can see okay, there are a couple of settings that you can use. This is the free version. You can upgrade to a plus version if you want to buy this app from the Play Store, and it's a free version that I'm using. You can download it free of cost from the Play Store. The second thing that I'm using is the multi-live wallpaper application, and you can customize everything on your desktop with the help of this wallpaper, a live wallpaper, and it works like a normal wallpaper. I can show you that. Here we go, wallpapers, live wallpapers, and if you scroll down, once you install this app, you will find this wallpaper here, multi-picture live wallpaper. And you can definitely do the settings like I have done for multiple screens. You can choose multiple wallpapers, so different wallpaper for every screen. Along with that, you have options for transitioning. Let me show you that. Transitioning. There you go. You can select the picture source, like select an entire folder which has all the wallpapers that you like, so it can shuffle between them whenever you like. There you go. Transition type, I'm using crossfade. You can use different options like slide, zoom in, out, zoom in, slide, wipe, card, everything is there. Bookshelf. You can also choose random, so every time you swipe you will get a different transition. Along with that, you have an option of putting in the time interval. It will automatically change the wallpaper after a specific time that you will choose here, or you can choose not to change the wallpaper unless you decide. there's an option of changing the wallpaper by double tapping the screen. So if you double tap the screen, the wallpaper will change, and will change for all of them. So this is something that you can use to increase the beauty of your screen. It's a high definition screen. I'm using the full brightness as of now, eating the battery of my phone. However, it's worth putting all these modifications to see how beautiful can your Android look. Now you can see the icons are pretty small than in the size, smaller than size. I'm sorry, smaller than the usual size that you get on your Android phones. This is done by reducing the icon size using the launcher setting. When you go into the launcher settings, you have desktop settings. You can select the size of your icons. You can also select to hide the status bar, hide the shadows, so that you get the entire screen for your wallpaper. Here you can select the transition as well, how the transition will work if the wallpapers are changed or swiped. I've taken the margins as none, so there's no margin left for any icons. Grid size is taken 8 by 8, so the more the rows and the columns on the screen, the more space you get to put your icons, the smaller the icon size will be. I've taken 8 by 8. You can take whatever you like depending upon your choice. And you also have settings for your drawer. So the drawer app that you have, I've taken the grid size here. In the portrait mode I take 5 by 5, and in landscape it takes 4 by 7. Again, you have the options of choosing whatever you like depending upon how you want your Android to look. You have the transitions animation here in the drawer settings as well. Multiple options that you can select while using this free launcher. It's Holo Launcher HD. I would definitely recommend to buy the paid version if you like it. I'm still testing all the applications here. There you see everything is there. Now this thing that you see, 312, the timing which is showing up in text, even the battery status and everything in this vertical mode on my horizontal phone. I'm sorry, in the vertical mode on my horizontal Galaxy Note. It's done by an application called Minimal Text. Let me show you the Minimal Text. When you go to widgets, once you install this application, it will be a widget launcher, so it will be saved in your widgets. You just scroll down a little bit and look for minimalistic text. Here it is. There are multiple options available, like the icon size, 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3 till 6 by 1. These are the options available. You can select from the screen the size that you would like. When you go into the settings, you will get options of adding different things here and edit the looks of the widget, like the direction, the layout. Plus you have multiple options that you can choose which will show up as a widget on your screen. There's battery level, there's date, system things like memories and all, and you have clock, the one that I'm using, and miscellaneous. You can simply use a text that will appear on the screen, like your name or anything that you would like to as a quote that you want to be shown on the screen. You can use temperature as well if you would like that to be shown on your screen. All the options are available. You just have to do some research with the application. Once you install it, it will definitely make your screen look good. Now see, I can change the colors as well. These options are available within the application. Now it's 3 o'clock, so it's simply showing 3. And with the launcher, you do get the option of resizing all the widgets. As you can see, you have the option of resizing it. You can resize the application icon or the shortcut or the widget, whatever you want to call it. These are a couple of modifications that I've done with my Android. So I'm using Holo Launcher HD, minimalistic text, multi-live wallpaper, and definitely the phone is rooted. And if you have noticed, guys, when I unlock the phone, it's a Jelly Bean locker, which you don't get even with the Jelly Bean update, even with the leaked update. So to get this locker, you need to download another application, and that is Holo Launcher. I have the paid version of that application. There it is, Holo Launcher. You can enable the Holo Launcher and you have the settings up over there. Here you go, appear in settings, so you can hide the status bar, disable the status bar. You can choose the alternate wallpaper as well if you want a different wallpaper to appear on the screen, and it will give you the Jelly Bean Locker. There's another thing that I would like to show you guys. It's a floating browser. You can see that you can, since the Jelly Bean supports the multitasking, you can see I have the multitasking enabled. I'm sorry, here we go. So you can choose different applications to run together, and this browser will work on top of them. So let's say you have a video player running, and you also have S-Note running together. Okay, here is the S-Note, and there's the video player. So now you can see we have got three things running together: the S-Memo, the video player, and the floating browser. Not only this, you can add another one. There we go, a new window. Now we have four things running together. You can minimize this, you can maximize this, you can browse the web. There's the keyboard. You can use this keyboard to type the URL that you want to visit. You can close this one, close this one. I recommend the paid version of this for loading browser so that you can open up to 10 windows. The free version only supports up to 2 windows. Soon I'll be flashing the official version, the official Germany version of this Jelly Bean for the Note. Once I do that, I will be recording another video for you people. As of for now, bye from my side, and go ahead and tweak this on your phone. There's no rooting required for all these modifications that I've shown you. You can simply tweak this on your Galaxy Note GT N7000 or even the Note 2, and for that matter of fact, for any Android phone, this will be available. And if you like the cover, you can order that from the website flipkart.com. Do like and subscribe. More videos coming soon for Android lovers. Take care. Bye bye.